Everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Gaurav and today I'm starting something special. I'll be walking you through all the questions in this textbook and step by step to make learning easier and fun for you. So let's dive into our topic. So our topic is trigonometric ratio today. So today we start our trigonometric ratio chapter. So I will make a two-part. So we start with trigonometric ratios, and this formula is very important, so make sure to pause the video and screenshot this and memorize this. Okay, question number 1 says to multiply. Okay, so I will be doing a few questions which helps you to understand the main concept of these questions, and you can easily solve these questions. So let me pick up this question number A. So here I'll write question number A. Sine A plus sine B, sine A minus sine B. So we have to multiply this. Okay, sine A plus sine B and sine A minus sine B. Okay, so this is a very easy question. You can see here this is in the form of A square minus B square, which is A plus B and A minus B. So what should you write? We should write A square minus B square form. So what is the square? What is the form of it? So its form is sine square A minus sine square B. So that's it. It's the answer, and we'll dive through question number F here. So we'll write question number F here. So 1 plus tan theta. So this is called theta. Okay, so this is maybe a Greek letter, so this is called theta. 1 minus tan theta and 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, there is 3 terms, so we have to multiply it. So here you can see this is in the form of A plus B and A minus B, so we have to do this same process. Okay, so we have to just look this. We have to just look at these two terms. Okay, so A square minus tan square theta, and we'll write this as same as this. Okay, so 1 square means 1 minus tan square theta. Okay, so here we put bracket and 1 plus tan square theta, and again you can see here is in the form of A minus B form, A square minus B square form. So what we can write? We can write this process. So this is and these are again the same process. So 1 square minus tan square theta square, isn't it? Yeah, so 1 square minus tan 4 theta is the answer. So we have successfully solved the question number A. So let's dive through the question number 2. So it says factorize. So question number 2, I will just copy factorize here. Okay, factorize. So maybe we'll dive through question number B. Okay, so question number B, sec square A minus cosec square A. So we have to factorize it. Okay, so it is in the form of A square minus B square. So what do we have to do? We have to just expand this form. So sec A minus cosec A and sec A plus cosec A. That's it. Maybe I will do question number I. Okay, so question number I will just copy the question here. C square A plus 3 cos A plus 2. Okay, so this is again a very easy question. So what we have to do is we have learned in class 8 that trinomial factorization. So the number and this number, which is 1, of course, here. So if the number is not given, so it will be 1 here. So this number and this number we have to multiply. Okay, and here the number and while adding the number it should be that number. If we are not understanding, so let me clear your confusion. So here you can see 2 into 1 is equal to what? 2, isn't it? Yeah. And here it says 3. So okay, so what we have to do is just this number, when we add this number, we get this 3, isn't it? So 2 plus 1 is equal to what? 3, and 2 into 1 is equal to 2. So we get here 2 by multiplying these, and we get this adding here, the adding sign is here, so we have to add them. So 2 plus 1 is what? 3, and it satisfies our condition. So what we have to write is 2 plus 1 cos A plus 2. Okay, so cos square A plus 2 into cos A, 2 cos A, isn't it? Yeah. So and plus 1 cos 1 into cos A is equal to cos A plus 2. So 2 cos A plus cos A, cos square A plus 2 cos A plus cos A, it is 3 cos A plus 2. That's our final answer. Okay, so we'll dive into question number 3, and it says simplify and find the value of. Okay, we have to find the value of. So let's dive through question number C. So in the given question, cos to the power 6a plus sine to the power 6a plus 3 sine square a into cos square a. So we have to simplify and find the value of it. So we can convert this and this into a cube plus b cube form. So how? So here you see, so cos square a 3, 2 into 3 what? 6, we get 6. So we just put out, we just split the power. Okay, so plus sine to power 3 plus, we have to write this here same to same. So because we don't touch it now, so a cube plus b cube. So what is the formula of a cube plus b cube? A plus b, a square minus ab plus b square, isn't it? So a plus b, so cos square a plus sine square a plus b. So a cos square a to the whole square plus minus a into b plus b square, and we have to write same to same here, we don't touch it now, and cos square a. So are you understanding this? This is 2 line, so it is a little bit lengthy. Okay, so cos square a plus sine square a. What is cos square a plus sine square a? It is 1 according to the formula we have. So it is 1. So here we get 1, isn't it? So this bracket, so cos a minus cos square a sine square a, and we'll put this term here. So this term will go here because this is like term. Okay, so plus 3 sine square a into cos square a, and we'll put this here. So plus sine square a whole square. Okay, so 1 multiplied by the number is remains at these at their original form, so no change here, and cos square a to the whole square minus cos square a sin square a plus 3 sin square a cos square a is equal to plus 2 cos square a sin square a, and we have to copy these, this, so whole square, and this is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. So what we can write is cos square a plus sin square a to the whole square. So we know cos square plus sin square is equal to what? 1. So 1 to the whole square, square, so it is 1. So therefore the value of this term is 1. Okay, we get 1, so the value of this term is 1. And moving to question number 4, which we have to prove. Okay, so I will which number I have to do, maybe question number C. So in this when we have to prove the, will give you a hint. So when we have to prove a term in trigonometry, whether we can start from LHS or whether we can start from RHS, but see, this LHS term is more likely to prove to these rather than this converting to this. So we'll start from the easiest one. So this is easiest compared to RHS to prove, so we'll start with LHS. Okay, so LHS, LHS is 1 minus sin a, 1 plus sin a, and 1 plus cos a, and into 1 so here into minus cos a. Okay, so here you can see it is in the form of a minus b and a plus b, so it is in the form of a square minus b square, so a square minus b square, and this is also in the form of a square minus b square. So what we write is a square minus cos square a. So we know what we know, sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. Then what is the value of sin square a? Then sin square a is equal to 1 minus cos square a, and cos square a is equal to 1 minus sin square a. So here 1 square minus sin square a means 1 minus sin square a. So what is the value of 1 minus sin square a? It is cos square a. So we'll write here cos square a by what is the value of 1 square minus cos square a? So the value of 1 minus cos square a is equal to sin square a. So what we'll write is here sin square a. So we know what we know is sin a by cos a is equal to what? Tan a, and the reciprocal of tan a is cot a, isn't it? So cos a by sin a is equal to cot a. So if cos a by sin a is equal to cot a, then cos square a minus sin square a is equal to what? Cot square a. Of course it should be cot square a because here is square, so it is cos square a, which is RHS proved. Okay, here you can see cot square a and we get cot square a. So that's why we prove these type of question. So how is it going so far? Let me know in the comments if you find this helpful or if you have any doubts. So I will go to maybe question number E. So it looks like a very big problem, but that's not it. I will prove you. So what I have said earlier to you, I have said we take which is easy to prove. So here you can see the LHS is easy to prove to this rather than this to this. So we will take LHS. So what is LHS? 1 plus cos a whole square 1 minus cos a whole square upon sin square a. Okay, so 1 plus cos a whole square minus 1 minus cos a whole square upon sin square a. So we have to prove 4 cosec into cot a. So it is I would say it is a medium type question, so it is not hard one, but it is also not the easiest one. So 1 plus cos a whole square minus 1 minus cos a whole square. So we have to look at this rather than a square minus b square. So we have to look at this 1 plus cos a to the whole square. So what is the formula of a plus b whole square? It is a square plus 2ab plus b square, and for minus we have to change this into minus. Okay, so we have to write is a square plus 2ab plus b square minus so what we have to do is just put minus here. So a square minus 2ab plus b square, okay, and divided by sin square a. So it is 1 plus 2 cos a plus cos square a minus 1 plus 2 cos a. Here is 1 because 1 minus minus is equal to what? Plus. So minus plus is equal to minus cos square a. So here you can see same quantity but in different sign, so we have to cancel these. Okay, so we'll cancel these out, and this also cancel because it is same quantity but in different sign. Okay, so what it remains? So in op it remains 4 cos a because 2 cos a plus 2 cos a is equal to 4, and in denominator sin square a. So 4 cos a upon sin square a. So what is sin square a? Sin square a, sin square means 2 sin a. What it means? Sin a into sin a, isn't it? So it means sin a into sin a, 2 sin a basically. So 4 cos a by sin a into 1 by sin a, it means basically this. Okay, so we can also further 4 we can write 4 here and multiply here. So cos by sin, what is cos by cos a by sin a? I have earlier told you it is what? Cot a, isn't it? It is cot a. So what is the 1 by sin a? What is 1 by sin a? 1 by sin a is reciprocal of sin a. So what is reciprocal of sin a? The reciprocal of sin a is cosec a. Okay, so reciprocal of sin a is cosec a. So we will write here 4 into cos by sin is equal to cot a, and 1 by sin is equal to cosec a. So we will rearrange these according to the RHS. So it is 4 cosec a cot a, which is RHS proved. Okay, so I think the video have been long enough, about 15 minutes. So that's it for today's section on this trigonometric ratio topic. So I will cover all these and these questions in the next part. So I hope this video helps you understand these questions better. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and if you have any specific questions, drop them down in the comment below. See you in the next video, and happy studying.